A much-needed sidewalk project will help to improve pedestrian safety along two busy roadways. Approximately $208,000 in federal funds will be spent to build sidewalk to fill in gaps along a portion of Highway 751 and Highway 54. The need for the sidewalks between Garrett Road and Dresden Drive was identified in the 2011 update to the Durham Walks pedestrian plan. While there is some existing sidewalk in that area along the highways, the project will add additional segments to close gaps, increase connectivity to bus stops, schools, and neighborhoods. It will also bring the sidewalk up to current accessibility standards. Since the project is federally funded, the city is required to have an inspector on site at all times. Another $71,000 will be paid to this firm to fund construction administration services, inspections, and construction materials testing for this project. Construction on the sidewalks is expected to begin in August and be completed by October. A pavement study will be conducted over the next 3 months to rate the condition of the city's streets. Durham has 780 miles of asphalt streets. The information gathered from the Pavement Condition Survey will help determine which of those need maintenance and what type of work needs to be done. As part of that, it will include a 5-year plan for the application of low-cost pavement preservation technologies based on how the streets were rated. The study will also identify those where repaving or reconstruction is necessary. The last Pavement Condition Survey was performed in 2013. It's industry standard to perform the studies every 3 to 4 years. The city will pay $313,000 for the study to be conducted between now and September. The city's work to ensure the safety of Durham's bridges will soon include repairs to 5 of them and demolition of another. Approximately $225,000 will be paid for professional engineering services for repairs to be made to bridges on Shakori Drive, Pettigrew Street, Ramsar Street, as well as 2 bridges on Martin Luther King Jr. Parkway. The routine maintenance is necessary to preserve the integrity of the structures and are not safety issues. The types of work being designed include guardrail repair, spalling concrete patching, and rust repairs. In addition, engineers will develop a demolition plan for the out-of-service bridge along Maryland Avenue over Ellaby Creek. The contract will also provide the ability to quickly address any safety-related items that may be identified by the upcoming 2018 Bridge Inspections Report. A major stormwater drainage repair project is in the works for various sites located throughout the city. The project involves repairs, rehabilitation, and improvements of drainage systems at 12 sites. Those sites include parks, streets, and trails, as well as Beechwood Cemetery and Hillendale Golf Course. The project will cost $352,000. The city is trying to reduce the number of people who drive to downtown while still encouraging them to come there. The effort is part of the work being done through the Bloomberg Mayor's Challenge Grant. The $100,000 grant encourages city leaders to find new ways to tackle their most urgent problems. The challenge Durham has taken on is reducing the number of single-occupancy cars in downtown. They're hoping to do this by encouraging people to try different ways of getting to work, such as walking, biking, or mass transit. The grant team is working on several strategies that are either already in or are moving into the field testing phase. One of the strategies is helping employers who provide free parking to their employees set a different norm by offering the equivalent amount of money to the employee that they would pay for the GO Transit Pass. Another strategy is a pilot bus lottery program where people who ride the bus are entered into a lottery to win a cash prize. Durham is using these pilot programs to compete with 34 other cities for an additional $1 or $5 million grant. For more information, visit DurhamMayorsChallenge.com.